Here's how to easily remove fat from your body with baking soda. When you want to lose weight, you probably think that stopping eating is the best solution. If so, you're wrong. You shouldn't skip any meal. In fact, the popular miracle diets aren't so trendy anymore because many have been proven not to give good results on a medium to long-term basis. Moreover, instead of helping you lose weight healthily, this diet could lead to serious health problems. Instead, today we're going to bring you an easier way that will help you reach your ideal weight. This is a good option because it helps you lose weight without having any risk or dying of hunger. Did you know baking soda? And did you know that baking soda could help you lose the unsightly fats you have accumulated on your body? In this video, we offer you the recipe for a simple drink made from baking soda that will allow you to remove fat from your body quickly and easily. However, baking soda alone is not enough. To get the weight loss benefit from it, you need to combine it with another slimming ingredient, lime juice. Of course, you can also use lemon juice instead. Both lemon juice and lime juice enhances the alkali properties of baking soda, thereby raising your blood pH. This helps the body digest and burn fat. To combine baking soda and lime to lose weight, first, you will need to prepare 1 large glass of mineral water, about 300 ml, and add it in this glass half teaspoon baking soda and mix well to dilute baking soda. According to Women's Health magazine, consumption of baking soda causes a reaction with stomach acids and leads to the formation of salt, water, and carbon dioxide. Therefore, thanks to its alkali profile, baking soda helps relieve the symptom of indigestion, thereby having you feel less bloated. In addition, baking soda also increases your feeling of fullness, therefore decreasing calorie intake and help you lose weight. Then you need to add lime juice to combine with baking soda water. This citrus fruit will allow you to optimally eliminate excess toxin and fats present in your body. In addition, its fiber content will help to improve digestive health and better absorb nutrients. With this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of lime juice, baking soda reacts with the lime juice and freezes a lot, so make sure that your glass is large enough to avoid the water outward. Now stir well all the ingredients until you have a homogeneous preparation. This drink can also help you slow down the signs of aging, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and boost your skin. How to use? Drink 1 glass of this drink every morning on an empty stomach. If you find this video useful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to get more other healthcare recipes and tips.